YouTube? It's Profit back for my next video. So y'all see I've been out here riding around in my girl Kandi. I know I hit the city a couple of times, ran to a few car shows. Y'all just seen that footage. So I'm telling you, if you in the cars, man, old schools, cars that's customized, hooked up, whatever, subscribe to my channel right now. Like this video right now. I got some good content on the way, man. So y'all better stay tuned in. I'm trying to get used to having this camera rolling the whole time I'm out here cruising and riding through the city. I ain't really used to it, so I'm trying to keep it in my hand when everything is going on. I'll be missing all the good stuff, but y'all stay tuned in, baby. I'm learning, I'm growing, so come on, grow with me. I'm trying to build this channel up. And I'm at like 400 subscribers, so when I hit 500, I'm starting my second giveaway. Don't forget about that. Check out my other video. I got a giveaway, race to 1,000 subscribers, so y'all better stay tuned in for that too. I'm gonna go ahead and get my day started right now. Y'all see where I'm at. I need some of that juice, so let's get to it, baby. Don't do it, man. Team Android out here all day. I'm shooting this footage right now with an Android, man. F them iPhones. So Belle is getting ready for the Grand Prix, and they're already setting up all their barricades and everything. So look at me. I feel like I'm on the track right now, boy. In the third gen, hitting these corners on the foes. You feel me? It's like, no, I ain't doing it. I'm cruising like a motherfucker. I don't go faster than 30. I ain't finna tear up my shit. All right, YouTube, so let's talk for a minute. I'm out here at Belle in the city. You feel me? So what y'all think, man? Check out my girl Kandi. I'm thinking I'm done, man. I didn't want to do too much to this car, no way. I wanted to try to keep it as original as possible with a little bit of, you know, a little flavor, a little swag to it. But I'm debating on going with some new interior, and of course I might do LS swap if I keep this car, man. I don't know what I'm gonna do yet, cause I'm getting offers. People want it bad, but that price ain't really been my price yet, so I'm gonna hold on to it until I get the right price. I ain't gonna lie to you. But that boy look good, man. Look at her. Perfect stance. She ain't sitting too high, she ain't sitting too low on the 24s. You know what I'm saying? Look at my scenery. I love it, man. So, I don't know, man. What y'all think? Should I leave it original the way it is, or go ahead and get the interior done? I really know I want to add some more sounds. I still need some more inside speakers for the highs. People keep saying my music already loud enough, but I don't think so. I might get some highs, give me a couple of little 3x-somethings on the door, or maybe down here on the kick pad. You know, I don't really want to go over here. Somebody suggested getting it down here on my center console, but I don't really want to cut inside that. So I'm gonna figure something out though. But drop in the comments right now. Show Kandi some love. Leave me some comments. Subscribe to my channel. Like this video. Share this video. All that YouTube stuff y'all already know. But still out here cruising. I'm gonna link up with some other cats in a minute, man. See if they gonna pull their cars out. But shit, we out here, baby. So stay tuned in. Look at my girl sitting over there. Down here at the Detroit Yacht Club, my man's T. Checking some boats out real quick. How you doing? I ain't got my mask on, bro. I'm straight. I'm telling y'all, man, boat coming soon. Okay, okay. That boat coming next, bro. I know I've been saying that shit for a minute, man, but I'm good. Credit up. Shit. I'm trying to get everything else straight before I do something like that. But still, ain't shit like having no boat. That's a whole nother life for you, man. Whole new game. Touch that water. Grab me one of those, be on a little dinghy. You gotta have a big ass yacht to have this dinghy pulled up right here, bro. Where that dinghy going to? It's just here for what? That's some rescue shit? No. Or niggas be using it? Right there. Oh yeah. That's all. Just sit down here all day long, be on the boat chilling. Have boat parties and shit. 60 miles per hour or something in that area. And every time I go that speed, that light pops on. So I'm assuming it's just the transmission probably being strained or the speedometer is a little off. So that service engine soon light popped on. And whenever I park the car, I just turn it off and restart it. And it always goes away. So hands up, when you want to ride on big rails like that, with a stock 305 or whatever you got going on, you might get a little service engine soon because of the weight the wheels add to the car. You know what I'm saying? So hands up, man. Man, me and my girl been out here cruising today. I done put some miles on her. I done hit the city and back, you know. But she got a lot of love, man. Everybody who seen her was like, man, she looked good. They couldn't believe I did everything myself. I was like, yeah, go check out my YouTube channel. You can see every single step. You know what I'm saying? So this car done went from shit to sugar. If y'all been on my channel from day one, y'all know what I'm talking about. Like, it's been a long little process, but my girl looking right. So hope that background noise ain't too loud. Make sure y'all stay tuned in. I got another video on the way. I'm going to a car show. I'm gonna enter my Kandi into a car show, and I'm gonna make sure I walk around and get some good content. Cause it's a lot of nice cars, man, in Detroit. And I want to go ahead and put the spotlight on Detroit, man, cause we in the car game strong too. So I'm gonna get some good footage out there. That's my next video, so y'all stay tuned in, man. Make sure y'all like this video, subscribe to my channel, you know, share this, leave a comment, all that YouTube stuff y'all already know, man. And let's get to it.